Hello YouTube, I'm playing a game called White Noise. I know you can't see it because it's really dark in this game, so. And I only got a free trial, so I'm not going to be playing this for long. So let's see if we can find anything. Got one tape recorder so far. And I'm really scared right now, so. Oh, it's not good to be by the wall. It's really beautiful outside, don't you think? Okay, water, that's not a good sign. Look guys, it's a tray. Oh my god, that's good. Oh my god. Look at that. It's a hand. What the Okay, I need 4 more. Wait, no, not 4 more. I don't know. I'm trying to find my way out of here. This place is crazy, man. This place is crazy, dude. Everybody. Oh man, that's it guys. They only gonna give me 3 recorders. This sucks. Now peace.